In today's unboxing, taking a look at the Amazon Fire HD 10 tablet. If you're interested in this product, I'll have it linked down in the video description. As I go through this unboxing, I'm going to be listing off the tech specifications of this product. It has a 10.1-inch 1080p full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200. The storage, it's going to be either 32 or 64 gigabytes depending on which version you get. You can expand the memory up to 256 gigabytes, and then also you'll have unlimited cloud storage for Amazon specific content. Its CPU and RAM, we're having a quad core with up to 1.8 gigahertz with 2 gigabytes of RAM. The battery life is rated at up to 10 hours. For light use, you might be able to reach up to 10 hours, but if you're doing a lot of more intensive things like playing games or watching videos, then you're likely to get a bit less time than that. In terms of the audio, it has a Dolby Atmos dual stereo speakers with a built-in microphone. It is Alexa enabled and has Alexa hands-free available. The colors come in black, marine blue, and punch red. In terms of content, you'll have access to millions of movies, TV episodes, songs, books, and apps, as well as games. And just depending on what apps you use, that's the type of content you'll be able to get a hold of. In terms of the warranty, you're looking at a 1-year warranty. You can get a cover, which will be sold separately. The cameras, it has a front-facing VGA camera, 2-megapixel rear-facing camera with 720p HD recording ability. It has dual band Wi-Fi. It weighs about 500 grams, and then the dimensions are 10.3 inches by 6.3 inches by 0.4 inches. And that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Subscribe for more, and we hope to see you guys back here for future videos.